There's a story in your belly, longing to be told before it is forgotten and slips back to the void. Now I'm harvesting the sparks as the valences decay. Oh, things reveal their beauty as they pass away, and all will be forgotten, and nothing shall remain, and all will be forgotten, like teardrops in the rain. And in the pleasant valley, vespertine night fell. I heard a gospel choir and the ringing of the bells, drifting through the darkness, drifting through the trees, drifting across the water of a flooded stream, and all will be forgotten, and nothing shall remain, and all will be forgotten, like teardrops in the rain.